In this Postly review, I'm going to show you what exactly is Postly. We will be taking a look at the dashboard of Postly. I'll be telling you how you can connect different social media accounts to Postly. I'll be telling you about the different price points for Postly. I'll be telling you about my bonuses if you decide to pick up Postly. I'll be sharing you my pros and cons, and finally, I'll be telling you my verdict. So if you're new to this channel, my name is Saurabh Gopal and I do various reviews of different softwares and courses so that you can make an informed buying decision. So Postly is your social media scheduler app using which you can schedule posts on different social media accounts, and that makes your life very easier if you have to manage your own social media accounts or for your customers. So right now I'm on the sales page of Postly and it says plan, review, approve and schedule social media contents in private secure workspaces 10 times faster, powered by AI. And you can also generate posts using the AI writer which is built inside Postly, which is very exciting feature, and I will show you how you can use that. Postly give you all these different tools which are built inside it, like content planner, content publisher, team collaboration, audience engagement, AI writer, analytics. That is going to be very useful for you if you are running an online business and you have to manage multiple social media accounts for yourself, for customers. And this is a very powerful tool, and I have seen some other social media schedulers, but I find Postly very powerful and very useful as compared to the other tools which are available. So now let me take you inside the dashboard of Postly and show you what all you're going to get. So this is how the dashboard or the home screen for Postly looks like. I have done a complete tutorial for Postly where I have covered all these points in detail. The link to that video will be in the description down below. You can check it out. So on the home page, you are going to get all these options. You can see all your posts, all your published posts, all your scheduled posts, all your recurring posts. So if you want to make a post recur or post on different social media accounts after a certain number of days, you can do that. You can set it up from here. And the next thing which I want to show you is the platform. So from here you can connect different social media accounts, and you can connect Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, Twitter, LinkedIn, Pinterest, TikTok, Reddit and Telegram. So depending on the plan which you have, you're going to get the count as to how many social media accounts you can create. So I've got the basic plan and I can connect up to 30 social media accounts in different workspaces. So workspace is basically a place where you can create different workspaces for either for your different customers or for your different departments of your team. And you can control the workspace settings from here under workspace settings. And if you want to create a new workspace, you can go into my account and create a new workspace depending on what you want to achieve. So now let me go back to the platforms and let me show you by connecting one of my social media accounts, Twitter. So just need to click on that and click on connect. And you need to be logged in to your social media account, or it will ask you to put your login and password. Since I'm already logged into the Twitter, I just need to authorize the app. And this particular Twitter account has been connected to Postly. And the next option we have is the content planner. So from here you can control and plan the content, which you can also do it from the home screen. Let's say you want to post or schedule a post, and then just need to click on this type and share your mind. Let's say I want to post hello, and if you want to add a video, you can add a video from your computer or from put a URL of the video. You want to add a photo, you can do that again by adding a photo from your computer or from the URL. You can create polls, and you can also upload the content in bulk. So you're going to get this format which is a CSV file in Excel. You just need to download this template which is right over here, and you can bulk schedule all the posts whatever you want to. So let me just cancel it out, and let's say I want to post hello, and then you need to select the platform where you want it to be posted. So as you can see, let's say I want to post it on my Twitter account, and then all you need to do, just click on save changes, and from here you can set the time for your post as to when you want this post to go live on that particular platform. And you can select the month, the day, and the year, and the hour, and you can also select the time zone. So whichever time zone you select, it will be posted according to that particular time zone. So let's say I want to make a post on Twitter on 11 a.m. on 30th of May, and then I just need to click on confirm, and I just need to hit schedule. So my post is going to be scheduled. The hello post is going to be posted on my Twitter account on 30th of May at 11 a.m. Indian Standard Time. That's what the time zone I had selected. And the next piece I want to show you is the AI writer. So in the AI writer, you have got these different options. You have got the product description if you want to generate a description for your product, a social media post you want to add, a digital ad, a sales page, sales content. Let's say I want to add a product description, and the name of my product is, let's say, Postly. And Postly, I need to put some description. Postly is a social media scheduler, and I can choose a tone of my voice. I can make it friendly, or I can select from the different tones which are available over here, and then I can select the number of copies I want it to generate. So let's say I wanted to generate 3 copies, then I need to click on create copies, and by default you are going to get 10,000 characters for the AI writer, and then I just need to click on create copy, and it is going to create the product description for me, which I can post. As you can see, it has created these 3 product descriptions. So accordingly, if you want to edit it, I can. Otherwise, I can simply click on post over here, and I can post it whenever I want to. I can even post it right now if I don't want to schedule it, and then select the platform which I want to choose, the social media account, and I simply hit on post, and it is going to be posted. And you can also add different team members to your Postly account, depending on how many team members you have, the workspaces, so that they can also do the work as a part of your team. So now talking about the different price points for Postly. So there are different lifetime plans, lifetime deals which are going on right now. So there are various plans depending on the number of workspaces and the social media accounts which you can create. So the first plan is the plan A, which is for $59 lifetime, and you're going to get 5 workspaces and 30 social media accounts which you can create, connect, and this is the plan which I have right now. And I can add unlimited team members, social platforms, unlimited posts I can schedule. And then the next plan is the plan B for $118 lifetime, and it has got 10 workspaces and 60 social accounts. So on each workspace I can connect different social media accounts. And the next plan is the plan C, which includes 15 workspaces and 90 social media accounts. And the plan D is for $251 lifetime, and you will get 20 workspaces and 120 social accounts. So depending on the size of your team and what kind of business you are into, You can choose the plan accordingly. So now talking about the different pros and the cons for Postly. First, talking about the pros, it's a very powerful social media scheduler, and you're going to get all these different social media accounts which you can connect on Postly. I haven't seen any other social media planner which has got YouTube, TikTok, as well as Telegram. So these accounts are built inside Postly, which you can connect. So that's a very good part about Postly, and it is very easy to use. The user interface is very simple and direct. You are not going to get lost in the user interface of Postly. Everything is very well set up, and you can easily navigate through Postly very easily. The other thing which I like about Postly is the AI writer. So you do not have to invest on a different AI writer tool to create posts, to create content. Everything is built inside Postly, which is very excellent. I haven't seen any other tool which has got the AI writer built into it to create the content. The only cons I can think of right now is that there is no RSS feed auto posting option, so you cannot post RSS feeds automatically using Postly. That's the only con which I could think of, which many of you may not be even concerned about. Now, talking about the bonus, as a part of my bonus package, which I'm going to give to you, I'm going to offer you 60 days worth of social media content, which you can straight away schedule. Just copy and paste those posts using Postly and schedule them for 60 days in advance on different social media platforms of your choice. So I hope my review has helped you to make an informed buying decision about Postly. The link to get Postly is in the description down below, and the lifetime deal is currently going on, so you must take advantage of lifetime deal and get one of the deals for yourself. Thank you very much for watching. I will see you again in my next video. Cheers.